students, I welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. Students, in my last class we have discussed about linear equation and its applications. In this class we continue with percentage. In this class we continue with percentage. What is percentage? A number with denominator 100 is represented as a percentage. Suppose x percent means x upon 100. Suppose you secured 35 marks out of 100 means you have scored 35% mark. Then x percent means x of hundreds. X of hundreds. Hundreds means x upon 100. Then it is denoted by the percentage sign. Suppose 36% means this is 36 upon 100 which equal to 9 upon 25. Suppose 120% means this is 120 upon 100 which equal to 6 upon 5 which is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 5. Suppose you have to express 7 upon 25 into percentage. Then 7 upon 25 is a fraction. We have to represent it as percentage. Then we can write simply multiply with 100. Then this is 4. This is 28%. Suppose we have given 5 upon 8 and we have to write it as percentage form. Then 5 upon 8 into 100 this is 25. This is 125 upon 2 percentage. When we convert any fraction to percentage, simply multiply with the 100, and when the percentage have to represent in the fractional form, percentage means denominator 100. Suppose you have given a ratio 3:4. We have to represent 3:4 in the percentage form. This means 3 upon 4 into 100. This is 75%. This is 75%. If you have to given a decimal number 0.85, you have to convert it into percentage. Then simply multiply with 100. Then this is 85%. Then this is 85%. Okay. Then here is the example to solve 36% as a ratio. You have to find out here in the example convert 36% into the ratio form. 36% means 36 upon 100 divide by 4. Then this is 9 upon 25 which in the ratio form 9 is to 25. Suppose you have to given another example. The largest, which is largest? 16 whole 2 upon 3% or 2 upon 15 or 0.12, which is greater. This is percentage. 16 whole 2 upon 3 percentage means this is 50 upon 3 percentage. Then here the fraction is given. Here the fraction is given. Convert all into the percentage form. This is 50. Suppose this is 50 upon 3%. 50 upon 3%. This is 50 upon 3%. Then here convert 2 upon 15 into percent. 2 upon 15 into percent. Simply multiply with 100. Then 5 3 ja 520. This is 40 upon 3%. This is 40 upon 3%. This is 40 upon 3%. Then here another 0.12. Simply decimal into percentage means simply multiply with 100, we get 12%. Which is greater? 50 upon 3, 40 upon 3 or 12%. 12% make it the same denominator. Here 3. To make it 12% into same denominator, this is 36 upon 12 can be written as 36 upon 100, 36 upon 3%. Then compare these three. 50 upon 3, 40 upon 3, 36 upon 3. Which is greater? 50 upon 3% is greater than 40 upon 3%, which is greater than 36 upon 3%. Means between these, among these three, this is the greater. Then next example. Next problems. What percentage of 120 is 90? You have to find out what percentage of 120 is 90. 120 is 90. What percent of 120 is 90? Then this is 120 is 90. What percent of 120 is 90? Means 90 out of 120 is what percent? This means 90 upon 120 into 100. 26 cha, 25 cha. Then this is 50. This is 75%. 90 out of 120 is 75%. Another question is asked, 1 kg of 5 gram. 1 kg of 5 gram. 1 kg is 5 gram. 1 kg is 5 gram. Means 5 gram out of 1 kg. 5 gram out of 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 gram into 100. Convert it into percentage. Then this is half. Then this is 1 upon 2% means 0.5%. Then another question is asked, 3.5 lakh 5 liter 3.5 liter is 150 ml. Means take 150 ml out of 3.5 liter is how much percentage? This means 150 ml 3.5 liter can be converted into milliliter, because when you find out the percentage, you must write in the same unit. Here this is ml, milliliter, this is liter. At first convert it into milliliter. 3.5 liter means 3500 milliliter. Then convert it into percentage means multiply with 100. 0 cancel. Here 5 7 ja, here 30. This is 30 upon 7%. This is 30 upon 7% means 4 whole 2 upon 7%. Then another type questions. I have already told you, always practice variety of questions. When you can practice variety of questions, you can appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Find out 7 whole of 1 upon 2% of rupees 2400. 7 whole 1 upon 2% means at first convert it into improper. 15 upon 2% of 2400 of rupees 2400. Then percent means denominator 100. 15 upon 2 into 100 into rupees 2400. 0 cancel 2 12. 15 into 12 means this is rupees 180. 7 whole 1 upon 2% of 2400 is rupees 120. Then another question is asked here. 26% of a number is 65, find the number. If 26% of a number, if 26% of a number is 65, then find the number. Let the number be x. Let the unknown number be x. Then according to question, 26% of x. 26% of x is 65. 26% means 26 upon 100 into x is equal to 65. Then here x is equal to 65 into 100 upon 26. Then 13 5 ja, 13 2 ja, 2 cancel 50. This is 250. The number is 250. 26% of 250 is 65. Here another questions. I have already told you, please practice more and more and variety of questions. Practice more and more and variety of questions. You can practice your exercise and ask me your doubt in my comment box. Sarita spends 65% of her salary and rest she saves. Sarita spends 65% of her salary. Then of her salary and saves the rest. What is the saving amount? Saving percent is 100 minus 65, which is 35%. Sarita spends 65% and saves 35%. Then actual the amount saved by Sarita, is rupees 2940, but she saves 35%. The question is asked, find her salary. Let her salary be x. Sarita saves 35%. Then according to questions, 35% of x. Sarita saves 35% and also said that Sarita saves 2940 amount saved. Means 35% of x is equal to 2940. Sarita spends 65% and saved 35%. When she found in her account that she saves every month 2940 amount, which is actually 35% of her salary. We have to find out what is her salary. This means according to questions, 35% of x is 2940. 35% upon 100 into x is equal to 2940. Then x equal to 2940 into 100 upon 35. Then here 35 7 ja, then here 20. Then here 7 4 ja 28. Then 1 4 7 2 5. Then this is 008400. Then the amount of the salary which is drawn by Sarita is 8940. Salary of Sarita is rupees 8400. Then here another example. In a class, the girls are 60% of total number of students and boys are 18. Here in the class 60% are girls. Here in the class 60% are girls. Then the percentage of boys 100 minus 60 is equal to 40%. But the question is said total number of boys in the class is 18. There are 18 boys in the class. 18 boys in the class. Then find the number of students in the class. Here 40% are boys and we found that 18 are boys. This means according to question, let the total student be x. Let the total student be x. Then according to question, 40% of x is equal to 18. This means 40 upon 100 into x is equal to 18. X equal to 18 into 100 upon 40. 0, 0 cancel. 2 ja 5, 9, 10. The total students is 45. We come to the conclusion that total students are 45, out of which 40% are boys and total boys are 18 boys in the class. Okay, then next question. I have already told you, please practice more and variety of questions. Another question said, if a number is increased by 20% and decreased by 20%, find the net increase or decrease percentage. Let the number be x. 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 Here the number is increased by 20%. Increased by 20%. This means 120% of x, which is equal to 120 upon 100 into x, which is equal to 6 upon 5x. After increment, the number becomes 6 upon 5x. Then it said decrease, then this number decreased by 20%. Then decreased by 20% means it becomes 80%. This means 80% of 6 upon 5x. This number again decreased by 20%. This means 80% of 6 upon 5x. 80 upon 100 into 6 upon 5x. 0, 0 cancel. Then here 8 upon 10 into 6 upon 5x. Then another 2 5 ja 2 3 ja. This is 24 upon 25x. This is 24x upon 25. Then net decrease. The number is actually x. Then here after increasing 20% it becomes 6 upon 5x. Then decreasing 20% it becomes this. Then the net decrease is equal to x minus 24 upon 25 x, which equal to 25. The LCM 25x minus 24x, which equal to x upon 25. We have to find out the percentage of net decrease. Then the x upon 25 out of x upon 25 upon x upon 25 upon x into 100 into 100. This is x upon 25 into 1 upon x into 100. X cancel 4. This is 4%. Total decrease is 4%. Net decrease. Then hence net decrease. Hence net decrease is 4%. Hence net decrease is 4%. Net decrease is 4%. Okay. Then students, today this much. In my next, please note down, in my next session